This is a little progress update video on this home audio video server room here in Cape Town. As stated in some of our other videos, here in Cape Town we refer to the AV plant room as the server room. It's for ease of communication between architects and all other parties that are involved with the project. Of course, a big highlight for us is we've maintained our special color coordination for all of our cabling. Orange is our data points for any TVs and video devices, yellow being our video distribution to those TV points, pink being our control for automation equipment, blue being the Wi-Fi antennas throughout the house, grey being general data points, black being uplinks to additional network switches. This house features Bang & Olufsen TVs and speakers, as well as a robust unified network and Wi-Fi system. We are in the finishing stages of tidying up these equipment racks so that they're ready for handover to our client. I hope that you enjoy this short update of what we've been able to achieve so far.